Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things were going in a little Jamaica for today Thursday, May 21st, 2009. My name is Rennae Nichols. The Observer for Thursday, the 21st of May, said Prime Minister Bruce Golding said the Tuori about the one-time Prime Minister what happened last week at Norman Manley Airport never go so. As according to the Gleaner for Sunday, May 17, 2009, the trip will go to Cuba with the one-time Prime Minister Patterson and the smuggled them from Digicel and it will set up one phone deal with Digicel and Cuba. The police say when the plane come back from Cuba, the security at the airport search Mr. Patterson and the rest of people them on the plane but never find nothing out of place with them. Still, the news station them read the next day, Friday 15th of May 2009, said PJ Patterson did come in on one plane with some people where they hide some whole heap of foreign money and never want the security to search them bag. It happened to Tuesday, May 19, 2009. Baron Buckley, who responds for everybody in the news business, write one letter to Cliff Hughes who in charge of nationwide news. Him tell him that the station never follow the rule them and end up read Tuori on the radio whenever go so. Them say that the station they make every radio, TV and newspaper place look bad. Well, nationwide news station make up their minds so Baron Buckley need to tell them sorry about the letter when sent to them, cause an for them station one did read it and I want solid Tuori them they get for make them read it on the news. Same time, as according to the Gleaner for today, the 21st of May 2009, Prime Minister Bruce Golding and the police said the Tuori about PJ Patterson never go so. But them not make up their mind as per which part that the Tuori they come from and whether or not this man if we go a court for it. This is the Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Rennae Nichols. Wow.